Good morning, students. Okay, sit down. I hope that all is well.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Have any doubt? Tell.
Sir, I have doubt on example 7 from the chapter Quadrilateral.
Okay. Read the question.
L, M and N are three parallel lines intersected by transversal P and Q such that L, M and N cut off equal intersects AB and BC on P so that L, M and N cut off equal intersects D and DF on P.
Okay, sit down. Everyone, look at board. L, M and N are three parallel lines intersected by transversal P and Q such that L, M and N cut off equal intercepts AB and BC on P so that L, M and N cut off equal intercepts DE and EF on Q also. Is that clear? So our question this. Okay. First to draw the sketch. Okay. L, M, N. There are three parallel lines. So line L parallel to M, parallel to N. It is given. P and Q are two transversal line. Okay. And P transversal line meet to line L, M, N at point A, B and C respectively. And also transversal line Q meet to line L, M and N at point D, E and F. Is that clear? Everyone okay? Then according to our question, transversal P and Q such that L, M, N cut off equal intercept AB and BC. What? L, M, N cut off equal intercepts. Cut off equal intercepts AB and BC on transversal line P. That means what? AB equal to BC. That means B is the midpoint of what? AC. B is the midpoint of what? AC. That means AB equal to BC. Understood? AB equal to BC. Then M parallel to N. What? M parallel to N. That means BG or BE parallel to CF. Is that clear? It is given. It is given. Is that clear? But we will show that what? Now we will prove that or show that E is the midpoint of DF. Okay? We will show that what? Equal intercept DE and EF on Q also. Okay? L, M and N cut off equal intercept DE and EF on Q also. Is that clear? Everyone okay? We will show that what is the midpoint of a DF. But when we can say that is the midpoint of a DF? Now if we will prove that or we will show that DE equal to EF. What? DE equal to EF, then we can write that what? E is the midpoint of DF. Everyone understood? Everyone understood what are given and what will be proved? Understood everyone? Again I repeat it. Given value what? L parallel to M, parallel to N, P and Q are two transversal lines meet to line L, M, N at point A, B, C and D, E, F respectively. Okay? And also given that B is the midpoint of AC, that is AB equal to BC. Okay? It is given values. And we will show that what? Now E is the midpoint of DF, that means DE equal to EF. Okay? First write given. First write given values. L, line L parallel to line M, parallel to line N and transversal line P and Q. Is that clear? And also given AB equal to BC, that is B is the midpoint of a AC. Understood? Okay. Then to prove what? E is the midpoint of a DF, that means DE equal to EF. E is the midpoint of DF, that is DE equal to EF. Okay, DE equal to EF. Now proof. Please everyone look at board first. Everyone look at board first. Look this figure. A, B, listen, A, C, F is a what? Triangle. Okay? ACF. Okay? ACF is a triangle. B is the midpoint of a AC. Okay? And also BG parallel to CF. Why? Why you can say that BG parallel to CF? Due to given that line M parallel to N. If line M parallel to N, that means BG parallel to CF. Due to BG lies on line M and CF also lies on line N. Is that clear? So that BG also parallel to CF. Understood? So in triangle ACF, if B is the midpoint of AC and BG parallel to CF, then we can write that G also midpoint of AF. That means AG equal to what? GF. Why? Due to according to theorem 8.9, we know that what? The line drawn through the midpoint of one side of a triangle is parallel to what? Is parallel to another side, then bisects the third side. Is that clear? According to theorem 8.9, theorem 8.9, what? The line drawn what? Through the midpoint of one side of a triangle. Is that clear? Is parallel to another side and also bisect the third side. Is that clear? That means according to theorem 8.9, B is the midpoint of AC, BG parallel to CF. Okay, so final our result what? G is the midpoint of AF. That means AG is equal to GF. Everyone clear? Right now, in triangle ACF, B is the midpoint of AC. B is the midpoint of AC. Is that clear? And BG parallel to CF. BG parallel to CF. Why? Due to line M parallel to line N. Is that clear? So G is the midpoint of what? AF. So that G is the midpoint of AF. That is AG equal to GF. That is what? AG equal to GF. Understood? Everyone till understand?
Yes, sir.
No problem? Then jump to second. Listen. Again in triangle ADF. What? In triangle ADF. Is that clear? Now look triangle ADF. In triangle ADF, G is the midpoint of AF. Sorry, G is the midpoint of AF. Why? Already proved. G is the midpoint of AF. And also AD parallel to GE. Why? Given that L parallel to M. Given that L parallel to M. And line segment AD lies on line L. Line segment GE also lies on line M. So that AD parallel to GE. Okay. So in triangle AFD, if G is the midpoint of AF and also AD parallel to GE, so I have write if midpoint of what? DF. Is that clear? Understood everyone? Why? According to theorem 8.9, same. Is that clear? The line drawn through the midpoint of one side of a triangle, is that clear? Is parallel to another side. Okay, and also what? Bisect a third side. Everybody clear? So write again in triangle A, F, D, G is the midpoint of what? AF. Why? Already proved. Okay. And AD parallel to GE. AD parallel to GE. Why AD parallel to GE? Due to line L parallel to line M. Is that clear? So I have write E is the midpoint of what? DF. Okay, E is the midpoint of DF. Hence DE is equal to EF. What? DE is equal to EF. Or prove what? DE is equal to EF. Already proved. Understood everyone? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Okay.